You're probably wondering, what exactly do we mean by a top 3 placement? It's quite simple. In addition to the organic search where you are already listed, you can activate a targeted premium placement with our ad weeks. Normally, agencies charge 3 to 4 figure sums for setting up such campaigns, or you would have to spend hours clicking through the complex Google Ad Manager yourself. With us, this turbo push is already included in your package, or can be easily added with a single click. This way, you are guaranteed to land right in the field of vision of the best talents. Click on the briefcase icon at the top, and you will land on your job advertisements. Choose an ad where you would like to activate the ad weeks. Then scroll down to the Ad Weeks section. Our AI has already done all the prep work here and created optimized titles and descriptions for your ad. My tip: before going live, take a quick look at the preview and the assigned keywords. The goal here is to find the happy medium. If you choose terms that are too narrow, you'll get few clicks. If you choose them too broadly, you might attract irrelevant applicants. To activate the push, simply use your available ad weeks. Just drag the slider to the duration you want the ad weeks to run. By clicking the eye icon, you can immediately see how your ad appears as a sponsored post directly above all other search results. As soon as your campaign is running, you have full control. You receive a live evaluation and can see directly in the system how your ad is performing. With these ad weeks, you ensure that your position doesn't get lost in the crowd, but appears exactly where the journey begins for applicants, namely at the very top of Google. Give it a try right away and activate your first push.